We have breaking news coming in that in a powerful display of strength and technological might, the Indian Army's Ram Division under Kharga Corps has carried out exercise Ram Prahar, a massive integrated all-arms maneuver. The high-intensity drill showcased the Army's transformation into a modern, agile and tech-enabled force, sharpening coordination across land, air and cyber domains. The exercise highlights India's combat readiness, deterrence, posture and strategic assurance amid a fragile regional security environment.
के लिए साइबर से लेकर के केमिकल, न्यूक्लियर, बायोलॉजिकल सभी तरह की लड़ाई की हमारी तैयारी है। आप ये मान के चलिए कि हमें विश्वास है कि अगली लड़ाई सिर्फ एक डोमेन में नहीं होगी, मल्टी डोमेन ऑपरेशंस होंगे। जीत जो है वो जमीन पर ही हासिल होगी। तो ये सारे डोमेन में जो भी हम काम कर रहे हैं वो किसी तरीके से जो हमारी अल्टीमेट जीत है, वो चाहे 71 की जीत हो, चाहे 65 की जीत हो, वो जब तक हम जमीन पर कब्जा नहीं करेंगे वो पाकिस्तान मानेगा नहीं कि हम जीत गए हैं। तो डोमेन सारी जरूरी हैं। हम सारी डोमेन में लड़ाई की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, पर जो आप ग्राउंड पर देख रहे हैं ये फिर लास्ट ये मान के चलिए कि सारी डोमेन को मिला करके लास्ट में जो ऑपरेशन होना है वो यही है।
We have CNN News 18's Akash Sharma joining us live right now. Akash, very good morning to you. What specific new technologies or integrated capabilities demonstrated in exercise Ram Prahar signal a shift in the Army's war-fighting doctrine? And most importantly, Akash, what message is the Army intending to send to the adversaries with this?
Right. So you see, in the past few months, we have seen that how India has introduced Rudra brigades, Ashni platoons, where they are using drones, UAVs, in fact, all arms brigades. And, in the recent months, we have seen that how they have conducted integrated exercises as well. This time around, it was Western Army commander, who was, in fact, talking about all these efforts on the occasion of the conclusion of Ram Prahar exercise, that was happening in Dehradun and in the central sector. And, he said that Indian Army or the armed forces are somewhere prepared for any type of warfare, from cyber to chemical, from nuclear to biological. He said that we are ready for anything. And during Operation Sindoor, while Pakistan did not accept that India actually won the war, it was the narrative from Pakistan that somewhere tried to flash that narrative. He says that this time around, the victory will be achieved on ground, and like in 71 or 65, we had in fact ceded the land. This time around also, it is important that we capture the land, and then only Pakistan will accept, that he has lost or he has, lost its territory. And, message is loud and clear that Indian Army or the Indian Armed Forces are ready for any eventuality. During Operation Sindoor also, Pakistan was on its knees. And now, whenever the condition will come, or now whenever, the second part, I should say, of Operation Sindoor, of the action in Operation Sindoor will commence, at that time, Indian armed forces are ready. And what is going to be the kind of effort then is somewhere indicated by the Western Army commander.
Thank you so much for sharing your input with us.